Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NAVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take English second paper class for class 9. Our today's topic is prefix and suffix. We will discuss prefix and suffix today. This is lecture number 3 and homework number 3 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look at our today's discussion. We are going to discuss prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes are sets of letters that are added to the beginning or end of another word. They are not words in their own right and cannot stand on their own in a sentence. So prefixes and suffixes are added to the beginning or end and they are not words by themselves. If they are printed on their own, they have a hyphen before or after them. So if you are going to write them separately, as they are not words by themselves, they have to add a hyphen before or after. Let's see here. I have given some words here, then prefixes or suffixes added to those words and how to make new words. If it's a prefix and the word is added at the end, we give a hyphen after the prefix. Okay, and if it's a suffix and added to the end of the word, we give a hyphen before the suffix to mean that the words are added at the end or the beginning. Okay, so let's look at our first word, cultural. If we add the prefix multi with cultural, we get the new word multicultural. Then there's another word, market. If we add super with market, we get supermarket. So super is a prefix here. Then let's look at another word, child. If we add a suffix ish with it, we get childish. Then like. Then if we add able with it as a suffix, we get likeable. Next word, work. If we add the suffix e or with it, we get worker. So sometimes parts of speech changes because of adding prefix or suffix. For example, see, child is a noun, but the new word childish is an adjective. Again, like is a verb, but when we add the suffix able with it, it becomes likeable, which is another adjective. Again, work is a verb, but when we are adding the suffix with it, it becomes worker, which is a noun. Let's look at some exercises which will be your homework. This is your homework number 3. Put the words in brackets in the appropriate form using prefixes and suffixes. Here I have given some sentences, okay, and with these sentences there are words in brackets. You have to use the proper prefix or suffix with the words to make the sentence meaningful. For example, let's read number A. The team was able to win the dash. Champion is given in brackets. You have to use the correct form of the word champion using suffix or prefix in this blank. Okay, I am reading all the sentences for you. Number B, he wants to be a dash mathematics when he grows up. Number C, there were only a dash in brackets hand of people at the match. Number D, the road was too narrow, so they had to dash in brackets wide it. Number E, you need a dash in brackets combine of motivation, organization and hard work. Number F, you should dash in brackets consider your decision as it may not be the best thing to do. Okay, so please do these exercises as your homework. Dear students, try to pick out the correct words, do the homework carefully and submit it in due time on next Saturday. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.